When I heard the news of my brother sudden passing, I am so heartbroken because losing a brother can feel like losing a part of yourself. 9 years since Ian got migrated in Canada, and in the 9 years, we have not seen each other personally. We talk sometimes through video calls because of the distance and the time difference. Ian is my younger brother. Knowing Ian, he is such a jolly person, full of jokes and laughter. He is the joker of our family, and he is the man who keeps us laughing. Ian is such a loving, good man to his family and friends, a responsible father, a singer, and a blogger. To my brother Ian, you left us too soon, but your memory will stay with us forever. May you find eternal rest. We gonna miss you, bugto ko. Rest in paradise. I love you, libayan ko.
We, Ian Montaño's friends here in the Philippines, extend our deepest condolences to his buried family and loved ones. Ian, whom we fondly called Ian Straight, perhaps because of his straight hair, has been a good friend of ours since our high school days, from sharing allowances in college to supporting one another through life. He showed us what true friendship truly meant. He was jolly and kind, selfless, loving to his parents, and deeply devoted to his family. Brother Ian will forever live in our memories and in our hearts. Farewell, our dear brother, from my family and your loving friends here in Philippines. Donna Chris, Petra Jane, Arcil, Myla, Marie Chris, Lorgie, Eileen, Sharon, Gia, Valentin, Jonas, Patrick, Luel, Bonet, Mark, Ayan Panagiton, and Dan, your Funks Company family.
Hello, good morning Canada, and today is good afternoon in Latvia. I'm Captain Jonas Don Gadayan, childhood friend of Ian. Since high school, actually we met in high school during we created there's one guy who created a group, we call it Funks. Meaning of Funks is Friends United Never Commit Sin. So we call it Barkada or Friends. That's what created first, and we became like best friends. We have a girl and boy members also. Until now, we are solid as a group and call it best friends. Now we call it Funks family. Okay. My friend Ian, and since high school we met, he's a jolly guy and simple, and even though I have some problems, he will make some effort to make us happy. Even though high school is, we have a small amount of money, we make still effort to enjoy ourselves, to make some picnic at the beach. We go at the falls and a lot of adventures with Ian. And I remember before he said, I don't want to go abroad, I don't want to work abroad, I just want to stay in the Philippines. Thankfully, because of his wife effort and dedications, he had no choice but to go to Canada. In the end, he enjoyed it. He became a little bit vlogging enjoyment in the YouTube, and actually we miss him a lot. Since he goes to Canada. Since then we never met in person. We just sometimes chat and video call. Actually, I'm only so sad because it's too early that our friend leave us. I remember I said before going to retire early, and Jonas said I'm going to retire early, and then we go enjoy, and then we just do banding, we drink at the afternoon by beer, relax, maybe a little bit grow old, and then the problem is now is gone. Uh, 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 it's a big loss in our group. It's like a joker to us, and that's life. That's life. And best friend Ian, just rest in peace. I know you're a good guy. We all know that in our heart you belong in heaven. Till we meet again, Ian. Bye bye.
This is G from Hong Kong, your friend, Ayan, rest well. Hanggang sa muli, thank you for the good memories, high school days, and unforgettable moments. We love you and we gonna miss you, Ayan. From Pang's family, this is G in Hong Kong. Rest well.